When a potato is eaten, a powerful energy process begins inside the body. From the first bite, the digestive system activates, preparing to break down complex carbohydrates into usable fuel. In the stomach, potato starches are softened and processed, beginning their transformation into glucose. As digestion continues, these nutrients move into the intestines. Here, microscopic villi absorb glucose, potassium, and essential minerals, releasing them into the bloodstream. The body responds. Glucose travels to the brain, supporting focus and mental performance. Muscles receive fuel for strength and movement. The heart and organs benefit from steady energy, while potassium helps support healthy nerve signals and muscle contractions. This process creates a feeling of fullness and sustained power. But balance is important. Eating large amounts of potato may cause rapid blood sugar rises, digestive heaviness, or a temporary energy crash. When consumed in moderation, potato becomes a reliable source